She doesn't like it, and she has her tail a bit up, but so does Santana.
I know you want Santana. Go for it.
Now she's starting to somewhat like it.
How is she looking?
Pretty good, actually. Started to prick up a bit at the end there.
Is her tail stiff or is it good?
Well, I don't know how to explain it. It didn't look all that, I don't know, stiff, I guess. But like, yeah, like, see what she's doing now? It was kind of like that the whole time.
Good. Should we trot around and you can watch this time?
That would be nice.